Hello, Altadan here. We got selpHbalance, TP, and EC hold. Let's open this up. Okay. For operation instructions, remove the protective cap. I'm pretty sure that was the protective cap. I think this right here is the battery. Yep, right there's the battery. Put that back on there. Press on or off key to turn the meter on and place electrodes in solution up to immersion level. So let's turn this on. Okay, it actually tests temperatures as well. So on or off. Okay, shift, you can change different settings. Like I have it on ppm, which I do believe. Oh, okay, this checks conductivity and stuff. I do believe in pH as well. Okay, you can have it as parts per million, right there, ppm, or you can have it as US/cm. Alright, test the same water that we used on the strips. And this is saying that's 68 degrees Fahrenheit right now here. Okay. I'm gonna go get a towel. So it's not dripping on my computer. Okay, this says 855. So I'm gonna guess that. See here what it says on that. I can't even read that. Okay, let's check the ppm. There we go. This is more of a reading that I can actually understand because there is a right there. It's actually a diagram. Okay, so this, when I switch it to ppm, which is parts per million, that it says 432. So if I look down here, 432, it says average tap water. High TDS water from the tap, or I think that says natural spring. So that's actually on a good level right there. So you can use this for pools, you can use it for your drinking water, creeks, and stuff like that to make sure that it is drinkable and it's not going to harm you at all. If this video helped you at all, go ahead and hit subscribe and leave a comment, questions or comments, and I will answer them the best of my ability. Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day.